workers have participated in massive protests held at the Enforcement Directorate offices in the state capital, terming the ED's move as a sustained campaign of political vendetta. Protests have been held across the 35 states and union territories. Meanwhile, the Maharashtra, Haryana and Lakshadweep Pradesh committees have scheduled their respective protests today and tomorrow. The Congress party has maintained that this collective action is a reaffirmation of their resolve to stand for truth and justice. Anand Singh joins me back on the broadcast. Anand, as far as the Congress's entire rage against the protest is concerned, and there are states where the protest has also been conducted, and today as well in Delhi as well there are protests that are coming up. As you've spoken to some senior Congress leaders on what their crucial demands and their primary concerns for the reasons of the protest are, take us through the details and share with our viewers as to why exactly now Congress is protesting against what they call as vendetta.
The Congress yesterday held a very detailed press conference with its Senate Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who also briefly represent his case in the court or in the press conference, and he explained very detailed how this is a very different case in which the Singh pass or a Singh land or property has transferred from Associated Journal, that the parent home company of National Herald as well as Jeevan becoming the Urdu Akhbar of the Associated Journal. And it is that after independence bill, 2008, party in several had given the loan 50 crore, and similar that Indian form with Sonia Gandhi, Olga Sampita, Oscar Fernand, Motilal Vora as its main body director. So clearly, he's that obviously as Congress nurtured since independence, and when before independence, it has been the integral part Congress. So definitely, any Congress leader or the family member will be the main shareholder. But he also maintained as Young India company, which has been formed under 75. It clearly states that not the directors will take a single any salary or any profit from the company. And he further explained the properties and the money of that AJ will remain, the ownership of property remain with AJ and not with Young India Limited. So clearly he said the way in which the government is acting on AL and National Herald case, this is clear political data, and there is no truth behind it that all property being by the family members or by Young India State. So this is the argument that Congress is against. And in the morning, when I spoke Syed Nasir Hussain, one of Congress secretary and joint custody in charge, he also explained the same, and he said that this is nothing but political vendetta against the Gandhi family from the BJP, as they don't want that opposition voices, several other issues be raised across the country. The Congress has been in the several issues, whether it inflation, whether it be poverty, whether it unemployment, whether it be the price hike, especially the LPG cylinder and the excise duty on petrol and diesel. So clearly, these are the issues that he mentioned and said that the government just want word issues, the issues that are dwelling the country, and they want to divert the issue, and that is why they are indulged into political vendetta. And it is why the Congress also changed protest and all the state head office, and even in the national the Congress is holding protest in Haryana and Maharashtra, and in the coming Congress is going a massive test across the country at headquarters, and still see leaders visiting several states as part of this campaign.
All right, Anand. Thank you very much for sharing more details and also adding, in fact, information. Now, the BJP is staging a protest against the